त्याच्याकडे नाही गणवेश, त्याच्याकडे नाही ओळखपत्र, त्याच्याकडे नाही वरिष्ठांचा फोन नंबर, कार्यालयाचाही पत्ता माहित नाही, त्याचा गोव्यातही कोणताच निवारा नाही, पण तो राखतोय एटीएम आणि तुमचे लाखो रुपये.
माझ्याकडे आय कार्ड ना, माझ्याकडे युनिफॉर्म ना, माझ्याकडे बँकेचा कोणाचाच नंबर ना, माझ्याकडे आपल्या एजन्सीचा कोणाचा नंबर ना, आणि व सिक्युरिटी हांगा जर कितें अंडरवर्ड इन्सिडेंट जालो बरोबर हो कितें करचो. लाखांचे लोग हांगा ट्रांजेक्शन करतात, पैसे
एक यूनिफॉर्म देते हैं, एक यूनिफॉर्म अब उसको धुलाई करके डाल दिए तो सूखता है.
तुम सिक्युरिटी आहे
कितें प्रूफ आहे तुझ्याकडे सिक्युरिटी? आय कार्ड हांगा दिवपूच ना.
कौन सा सिक्युरिटी?
ब्लैक कर
कोई नहीं तेरा वो
सुपरवाइजर है सर, तो नंबर नहीं लग रहा है उसको.
नहीं लग रहा है.
फाल्यां जर हांगा कितेंय जालें, कितें इन्सिडेंट जालो, बरें वो मनीस कोण, हाजी ऑथेंटिसिटी कितें, हाणेच जर कोणाक लुटलो फाल्यां, बायलां येता हांगा, ल्हान भुरगीं येता,
कितें करूया
लोकल पासो ताका. आनी एक मिनिट हाका खंयचे पयलीं बँक मॅनेजराक फोन करपाचो आनी ताका कोणी तरी आपोवपाचो. बँक मॅनेजराची जबाबदारी तुमी कोणी स्टाफ असेल.
काही दिवसांपूर्वी मांद्रे येथे एटीएम मशीनची चोरी झाली. ही घटना ताजी असतानाच गेल्याच आठवड्यात पणजीच्या बँक ऑफ महाराष्ट्राच्या एटीएम सुरक्षा व्यवस्थेवर आघात करीत तो लुटण्याचा प्रयत्न झाला. मात्र सुरक्षा रक्षकाच्या तत्परतेनं तो सपशेल अपयशी ठरला. या घटनाने राज्यातील एटीएम सुरक्षेचा प्रश्न ऐरणीवर आलाय. या घटनेतून अजिबात बोध न घेतलेल्या विविध बँका जनतेचे लाखो रुपये आपल्याकडे सुरक्षित असल्याचा दावा किती फूल आहे हे दाखवणारा इन गोवा 24 तासचा खास रिपोर्ट. एटीएम वर दरोडे टाकणं, तेथील सिक्युरिटीवर हल्ला करणं असे प्रकार गोव्यात दिवसेंदिवस वाढत आहे. एटीएम लुटणं सोपं आहे असं लुटारूंना वाटत असल्यानेच त्यांचे धाडस वाढत आहे. त्यांचा बंदोबस्त करण्याची जबाबदारी ही पोलिसांबरोबरच बँक प्रशासनाचीही आहे. मात्र वारंवार घडत असलेल्या एटीएम दरोडा प्रकरणी खुद्द बँक प्रशासन किती निवांत आहे याचं भयावह चित्र राजधानी पणजीत उघड झालंय.
अरे थोड़ा इधर आएगा क्या? अरे कुछ नहीं, एक सर आए थे, वो बोले तुम्हारा यूनिफॉर्म किधर, तो मैं बोला धुल के डाल दिया है सर को यूनिफॉर्म को. तो बोला आई कार्ड किधर, बोला आई कार्ड सर बनाया नहीं अभी. तो बोला आई कार्ड किधर, बोला आई कार्ड सर बनाया नहीं अभी. तो बोला आई कार्ड किधर, बोला आई कार्ड सर बनाया नहीं अभी. हाँ तो वही बुला रहे हैं, बोले नाइट वाले.
बैंक मैनेजर का नंबर है तो पूछो.
बैंक मैनेजर का नंबर है क्या? नहीं.
अच्छा, सेठ का नंबर है, किसका नंबर है?
उसका अपने पासराम का नंबर है, आजाद का नहीं नंबर लग रहा है, और उनका पातराम का चाहिए. कौन सा है? 2-3 और 777 और 337 वालों है वो एटीएम में. तो मैं अपना यूनिफॉर्म है ना वो धुल के डाल दिया है. तो बोले तुम्हारा यूनिफॉर्म किधर, में बोला सर धुल के डाल दिया है. बोला तुम्हारा आई कार्ड, तो बोला अभी बना नहीं. तो उन्होंने पुलिस को फोन कर दिया, इधर पुलिस वाले आ गए. तो आप आ सकते हैं.
उसको बैंक मैनेजर का नंबर चाहिए मुझे. बैंक मैनेजर मेरे को तुम्हारे से कोई लेना देना नहीं.
केनरा बैंक एटीएम. जी 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 मालूम नहीं सर.
मैनेजर का नंबर चाहिए बोलो.
वो मैनेजर का नंबर मांग रहे हैं, बोलो मैनेजर का नंबर दो. करी सुधाकर, तमिलनाडु. सॉरी. हेलो.
is this the number of the branch manager of Canara Bank in Panjim? Your number is on the board, so if you are a Mumbai branch manager, your number shouldn't be on this board, isn't it? See, I'll tell you, it is not one mistake, it is a series of mistakes on the part of Canara Bank. I'm standing in the ATM of Canara Bank in Matthias Plaza. Okay? Now there is one gentleman standing in the ATM, he doesn't have any uniform, he doesn't have any identity card, and is claiming to be the security personnel in charge of this ATM. He had another fellow with him who also didn't have any kind of identification with him, and he is claiming to be a relative of this person who is in this ATM. There are now your number is given on the board as the branch manager. There is another number of someone saying security manager, but his number is switched off. Hello. So yes, I want branch head's number. That is one thing. 1 minute. I want the branch head's number is one thing, and since your number is on the board, I feel you are also equally accountable for what lapses are happening. Because with so many crimes happening in ATMs these days, I think the bank should have been a little more alert towards its security.
Let me talk to the branch head.
I'm standing here, I'm standing in the ATM because see, I'll hold everybody accountable, including you, since your number is on the board. You cannot claim it's a mistake, because if your number is there, you are a part of the bank.
As a part of the bank, I'm working as a manager in the bank. I don't say that I'm not part of the bank.
Okay. So what has happened is the bank is up. No, bank is upset. Now let me finish, please, sir.
So because I'm in Mumbai, I'm not able to do anything. Because I can give the number of branch manager right now, sir.
Okay, fine. You can text it to me.
If I'm in Panji, Goa, definitely I would have come.
Sir, it is not my concern where you are based. You are based in Panji or you are based in Timbuktu. Your number is on the board. It is my instructions are to call you. Since I called you. Now, can you text me that number of that concerned person?
Ask the concerned person to call you. Ask the concerned to call you.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
गोवा हे गुन्हेगारांसाठी आश्रयस्थान बनलंय हे अनेक प्रकरणातून उघड झालंय. मात्र सुशेगात असलेल्या पोलीस यंत्रणेला याचा कधीच थांगपत्ता नसतो. एखादा मोठा गुन्हा घडल्यानंतर गोव्यातील पोलीस यंत्रणा खडबडून जागी होते. शिवाय पोलिसांच्या तपास कार्याबद्दलही अनेक प्रश्न अनुत्तरित आहेत. त्यामुळे गोवा हा गोवेकरांसाठी असुरक्षित बनलाय हे वेगळं सांगायला नको. पण ही गोष्ट इथेच थांबत नाही. गुन्हेगार आणि गुन्ह्यांचा आकडा वाढवण्यासाठी आता राज्यातील बँक व्यवस्थापनानंही कंबर कसली आहे.
Sir, I am a customer here. I had come to withdraw money from the ATM in the Matthias Plaza ATM.
Okay.
I found one person standing here, loitering here. There were two persons, in fact. Both were not having any kind of uniforms. One no identity card, and one person claimed to be the security personnel of this ATM. No identification, no uniform, no way to prove his authenticity. He doesn't have any of the bank officials' phone numbers. Are you? There were two people in this ATM. And bank doesn't seem to be monitoring anything in any activity, any security activity in this ATM. This is extremely frightening, sir, if I put it in the right perspective. With so many crimes happening with related to ATMs these days,
Yes, sir.
the bank should have been little more alert. But has it happened?
कारण अभी आया तो सरकार के थ्रू आया तो आया और उसके बाद ड्रामा के बाद करके चला नंबर मांगा
Sir, I am not concerned with where you are stationed or what you personally are doing. No, please let me finish. Please let me finish. I am concerned with the security of myself and other people who are visiting this ATM.
वो सब इधर ही है वो कारण नहीं है कारण चला गया.
If you have people here without any authentication or any uniforms, and with so many crimes against especially women and people in the ATM, I definitely feel this is a very wrong thing.
मैं धुल के डाल
Even your number is not on the board. The board number on the board belongs to some person who seems to be transferred in Mumbai.
नहीं आया मैं सर डाला
My number and not a number.
Security person's number is switched off.
भी कुछ नहीं होगा
So what I have done right now is I have called the police and I have called the media
कंप्लेन
to put. Sir, how do I know where your person is based? How do I know where your person is based?
वो तो वो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड
How do I know where your person is based?
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड
Where is your person? How am I supposed to know? How do I locate your person here in Goa?
हमको कुछ नहीं बोला यही बोलता है तुम्हारा
It is your number is not here. Your number was given to me by the person whose number is on the board. Sir, I am in the same ATM. Your number is not in this ATM. Okay, what number is there? Fine. So you are not in town. So whom do I contact now? Sir, I require to feel safe in this ATM, which I am not feeling right now because your personal are without any uniforms and I cards. I feel this is a lapse or a security lapse on your part. Sir, I want somebody to take a responsibility and I want somebody to suspend you for negligence in duty.
दिया फोटो नहीं दिया नहीं सर फोटो नहीं दिया
Sir, the action needs to be taken against you because this ATM is under your charge. Sorry? Sir, I need action to be taken against you. I am repeating myself because you are the head of this ATM. You are the head of this branch. It is your responsibility. So can you have somebody contact me since you are not in Goa? Immediately next 5 minutes because police are here. I need somebody to relieve this person because this person who is in the ATM is going to get arrested right now. So within next 5 minutes.
एकीकडे विदेशातील अत्याधुनिक बँक पद्धतीचा आपल्या बँकांनी स्वीकार केला असला तरी तेथील सुरक्षा व्यवस्था अंमलात आणण्याच्या बाबतीत बँका अजूनही मागे आहेत. केवळ एखाद दुसरा सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा आणि सिक्युरिटी गार्डची नेमणूक केली की आपली जबाबदारी संपली असाच बँकांचा समज असल्यानं एटीएम सुरक्षतेबाबत अधिक गांभीर्यानं विचार बँकांकडून होत नाही.
My name is Mukundraj Mudras. I am a customer of your Santa Cruz branch.
Okay, sir.
When I entered this branch ATM to withdraw some money,
Okay.
I saw this gentleman with another fellow.
Oh,
Both were not in their uniform.
okay.
And no identity card, no
Yes,
means
yes.
of identification.
Yeah.
I asked him about his identification. He said,
Yeah.
I am a security person.
Yeah.
I said, if you don't have any uniform, you don't have any authorization,
Yeah.
you are not allowed to enter this ATM.
Yes.
And basically it becomes the bank manager's responsibility to make me feel comfortable.
Yeah,
You know how many
100%.
crimes are happening here?
Yeah. I understand. Yes.
There was one person who was beaten with a hammer
Yes, yes.
4 days ago. But
Mhm.
still you people are extremely lax in terms of security. The bank manager's number is something different on this board. There is another board with a different number.
Yeah.
There is another person who was claiming to be a security manager, his number is switched off. So what you are doing to make a customer secure? How you are securing their people's money in this area?
Okay.
You tell me, sir. You are on
Yeah.
camera.
No. We have already sent to our head office regarding this one, sir. Oh, what is
Sir,
happening?
right now, what is happening, what you have sent is a
Yeah,
different
yeah.
concern. Right now, as I am standing here, if there is something, some untoward incident which happens against me,
Yeah.
what means here to secure me? This gentleman is not being given an identity card.
Yeah,
Last
it's a
15
private
days.
security.
Fine,
Yeah.
but is it not your
Yes, yes.
responsibility?
Yeah, it is.
Have you monitored, have you
Yeah,
checked his security? I know he is supposed to have ID.
yeah.
Have you made sure, have you ensured he has a identity card?
Yeah, we have checked up last time also. We have sent to that.
Sir, did you confirm he has an identity card?
Daily it is
Yes, sir.
possible
The
to
day he
confirm.
joined, did he have an identity card?
Sir, the thing is that these
Sir, please answer me in an explicit yes or no.
The thing is that, see,
Please
every
answer.
day,
Please see, I am not here to listen to opinions.
yeah.
My question to you, and repeat myself, the
Yeah.
day this fellow joined this ATM, did you ensure, did he have ATM iCard or
Here,
not?
the manager of Panji branch, he is checking that.
No. Did anybody ensure he has a iCard or
I
not?
can't tell you no, because the thing is that
I
it has
asked
been
the
done by
bank
the
manager,
yeah.
he also said he is not aware.
Agreement.
Sir, whose agreement is mine? With whom?
Madam,
My agreement is with who? My agreement as a customer. I am whose customer?
You are Central Bank customer. You are coming
So
in.
what steps you have taken to ensure my safety in this ATM?
The thing is that we have arranged the security.
Sir, you have not arranged a security. You have just given a contract to arrange a security. Arranging security means you have to ensure that the person who is appointed in this ATM is authentic and he has all his documents, and secondly he is capable of taking care of this security. How do you ensure that? Just by giving a contract. Are you ensuring that this person is ensuring safety?
Normally every time we are
See,
seeing
okay, approximately how much of money will be in this ATM?
around 20 lakhs.
Around 20 lakhs rupees are given in the custody of one person whom you don't even know. And minimum is 20 lakhs, highest could go to some 50-60 lakhs.
No, it won't.
So 20 lakhs?
Yeah.
Okay. 20 lakhs are entrusted with a person whom you don't know. Whose documentation, whose authenticity, nothing has been verified. My 20 lakh rupees, I am a citizen of India, this is
Yeah.
taxpayers' money.
Yeah.
Because every customer whose money is lost will be refunded by the bank.
Yeah.
So I am accountable for this money, it will go from my taxes.
Yeah, okay.
So who is taking care of my money here? You are not taking care.
So the thing is that on the ATMs, no, our client.
Sir, I am talking of one ATM in Mathais Plaza where there is a person whose authenticity has not been verified. This is a serious lapse on your part. You are responsible for this. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no?
No, I don't think, sir. Because the thing is that, see, you are.
Sir, do you know this gentleman? Do you know this gentleman?
No.
You don't know this
No.
gentleman. But still he is supposed to be
Secure.
guarding
Yeah,
20 lakh rupees of your this and customers'
Agree.
lives.
Agree.
And you don't know this person. Who are you, sir?
No, he's also from
employee of-
that, yes, sir.
You are an employee.
Yes.
Do you know this gentleman?
But the action where.
No, do you know this gentleman?
But
Do you know this
no,
gentleman?
personally I
You
don't
don't know.
Yeah.
Have you ensured who is this? He is guarding 20 lakh rupees as per your divisional manager, and he is ensuring the security of customers who are entering this branch.
Yes.
Okay? But you don't know who he is.
But the security agencies what?
No, he doesn't even have an identity card. Have you ensured that the security agency knows who he is? Have you ensured? Have you ensured?
Yes, actually, usually we.
Sir, you have floated a tender and somebody is supposed to take care. Somebody is supposed to take care.
So,
but have you ensured whether the security agency has done its job or not? I'll tell you a very surprising revelation. The security agency doesn't know where he lives. He doesn't know where the security agency's office is. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Nobody knows each other. He doesn't know who's the owner. The owner doesn't know him. There's only one middleman who has appointed him. And he's guarding 20 lakh rupees customers' lives and these machines out here. And you are telling me what? The security agency. Whom are you going to hold accountable if something happens to some customer? Here somebody loses his life. These things have happened in ATMs.
Yes.
So what is your accountability in this still? He doesn't have a name tag. He doesn't have an iCard. He doesn't know where his office is. Office people don't know who he is. He lives in Miramar. His police verification is done or not, nobody knows. And you are not ensured whether it's done or not. And you are playing with the lives of people, sir. You are playing with the lives of people who are coming here to withdraw money. It's your responsibility to protect us. His salary goes out of our money which we deposit in the bank. If you are not mistaken.
Yes.
Right? You are charging us for this service, but you are not doing your job.
बँका सुरक्षा रक्षक पुरवणाऱ्या खासगी कंपन्यांकडून सुरक्षा रक्षक तैनात करत असतात. मात्र नेमणूक केलेल्या सुरक्षा रक्षकाच्या विश्वासार्हतेबाबत बँक कोणतीही जबाबदारी स्वीकारत नाही, हेच या प्रकारावरून सिद्ध होतोय. या व्यक्तीकडे ना धड ओळखपत्र आहे ना त्याच्या वरिष्ठांचा फोन नंबर. ज्या खासगी कंपनीनं त्याची नेमणूक केली त्या कंपनीच्या कार्यालयाचा पत्ताही त्याला माहीत नाही. शिवाय त्याचा गोव्यातही कोणताच निवारा नाही. पण तरीही तो राखतोय एटीएम आणि तुमचे लाखो रुपये.
सर सांगात कितें घडिल्लें?
हांव एटीएमान भितर सरलोलो पयशे विथड्रॉ करूंक. हो जो मनीस म्हज्या सायडीक उबो आसा विदाउट युनिफॉर्म आसलो. हाजे कडेन अजुनूय आय कार्ड किंवा कसलेच नेम टॅग ना तुमी पळोवचे जाल्यार. आनी ताजे बरोबर आनी एक मनीस असलो, ताजे कडेन काय आयडेंटिटी कार्ड ना काय ना. ताका विचारलें तूं कोण? आपूण सिक्युरिटी म्हणलो. जाल्यार सिक्युरिटी जाल्यार तुजें काम भायर म्हळें, एटीएमान न्ही भितर. आनी दुसरें म्हणजे तुजे कडेन युनिफॉर्म आनी हें जाय, दोनूय मनशा कडेन जाय. दोनूय मनशा कडेन नासलें.
आप बताओ, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
राजकिशोर सिंह,
कहाँ से हो?
यूपी।
क्यों आइडेंटिटी कार्ड क्यों नहीं? जब हम आए थे तुम्हारे पास ड्रेस नहीं था, क्यों नहीं था?
नहीं, ड्रेस सब धुलाई करके डाला था ना सर, सूखा भी नहीं था पूरा बराबर।
अच्छा, और आइडेंटिटी कार्ड क्यों नहीं?
आईडी कार्ड सर अभी नया नया ज्वाइंट हुआ है ना।
नया नया कितना दिन हो गया ज्वाइंट हो गया?
अभी कितने 17 तारीख को आया।
17 तारीख को ज्वाइंट हुए। आज तारीख कितना है?
आज 5 तारीख।
15 दिन हो रहा, क्यों नहीं आइडेंटिटी कार्ड तुम्हारे पास?
बोल रहा था भी आजकल में आज देगा।
आजकल में देंगे। कौन है तुम्हारा साहब? क्या नाम है उसका?
साहब का सर मालूम नहीं, नाम सुपरवाइजर का नाम मालूम है, आजाद सर।
अच्छा, तो अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दिया है?
नहीं, वो लोगों ने दिया।
लेटर भी नहीं दिया है? क्या कौन सा कंपनी है?
ब्लैक कट।
हाँ,
ब्लैक कट।
कहाँ है वो?
परवरी में।
परवरी में? कहाँ परवरी में? कहाँ है परवरी में? कहाँ है
ऑफिस? नहीं मालूम सर।
नहीं, ऑफिस भी नहीं मालूम?
जी नहीं।
अच्छा, अभी तुम्हारे साथ दूसरा आदमी था तो कौन था?
वो दूसरा आदमी आया था सर, इधर पैसा निकालने के लिए, सो बैठ गया था।
पैसा निकालने के लिए आया था वो?
जी।
हाँ
जी।
और यहाँ पे आके बैठ गया?
जी।
अच्छा, आदमी था, कहाँ था
वो? करण था सर, करण।
हाँ, कोई
किधर रहते?
वो गुरुदत्ता सोसाइटी में।
वो क्यों आया था?
वो सर मैं उसको बुलाया था, वो आया नहीं था। वो सर अपने आप बिना परमिशन के अंदर घुसा था।
बिना परमिशन के अंदर घुसा था? हाँ, तो ये बोलने हम तुमको बोला था ना, तो झूठ क्यों बोले? काहे झूठ बोले?
नहीं सर, आप पहले वाली की बात कर रहे थे, तो पहले एक कस्टमर आया था ना, तो वही पैसा निकाल के बैठ गया।
कस्टमर नहीं था, वो तेरे साथ बात कर रहा था।
तो सर आके आप बात करने के लिए बैठ गया था उधर।
वो करण का पता है?
जी सर, गुरुदत्ता सोसाइटी में ड्यूटी करता है।
अच्छा, क्या बोला
वो? बाहर ही इधर से निकल के गेट के बाहर कुछ बोल के गया कि मैं देख लेगा।
क्या बोला?
भैया देख लेगा, मैं तुम्हारे।
किसको देखेगा?
ये साहब को।
कैसा बोला? क्या बोला था एग्जैक्टली? क्या बोला था?
बराबर नहीं था सर, हम लोग इधर ही खड़े थे। वो बाहर निकला, बोलता हम देख लेगा, बहुत तुम्हारे जैसा था।
तुम रहता किधर है?
सर कंपाउंड
में रहता है। तुम काम पे लगा तो तुमको काम पे लगा है बराबर। तुमको ऑफिस को तो तुमको मालूम नहीं है किधर है, तो पगार वगैरह तुमको किधर देगा?
अकाउंट नंबर लिया था, बोलते अकाउंट में
डाल देंगे। और तुमको कोई पुलिस स्टेशन में लेके फॉर्म भरवाया था कोई?
नहीं सर, इधर से भर के ले गए थे।
लेकिन तुमको पुलिस स्टेशन में लेके नहीं गए?
नहीं सर,
कोई भी वेरिफिकेशन
नहीं
सर। इधर पणजी का मतलब पणजी में इधर फॉर्म भरवाया जी। और तुम्हारा सुपरवाइजर से तुम मिलते किधर है?
वो सर फोन करते हैं तभी आते हैं वो।
इधर आते हो? मतलब तुमको कुछ भी उनका मालूम नहीं, उनको तुम्हारा कुछ मालूम नहीं है? उन्होंने तुम्हारा घर देखा है?
नहीं सर।
वो तुम्हारे घर पे कभी आए हैं?
नहीं।
अच्छा, तो तुम मिले कहाँ उनको?
वो सर जो अभी वो करण नाम का लड़का है ना, वही बोला था कि उधर ड्यूटी खाली है, सर से बात करता हूँ।
अच्छा,
या एटीएम मध्ये अंदाजे 20 लाख रुपये आहेत असं खुद्द बँक अधिकाऱ्यांनी मान्य केलंय. त्यामुळे खुद्द बँकच चोरांच्या हातात तिजोऱ्यांच्या चाव्या देत तर नाहीत ना, असा प्रश्न या ठिकाणी उपस्थित होतोय.
So why you are here?
I am here because the branch in charge of Panji branch, he is at Mangalore today. Actually, he called and told there is some problem in the ATM. That's why I came to see what it is actually.
What was it?
It was one of our customer has complained that the security person who are here, who was supposed to be in uniform, he was not in uniform and he was not having any eye card.
So what next action you will initiate?
Yeah, we are going to take the initiative against the agency for whom we have entered an MOU with. So we have already in the MOU itself, it is very clear that he has to be in the uniform and he has to have an identity card and everything, his credentials, that security person has to take care.
How long it will take, sir?
Tomorrow itself. Tomorrow, because the thing is that MOU has been signed by our top office. It is not with our regional office.